Hello! In front of me I have AGPTek LW11 smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First you will need to turn on the watch, and to do it you can press and hold the side button. Keep holding it until the watch turns on. It takes a couple of seconds. After the watch turns on, you will need to download and install the FitCloudPro application on your phone. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled on your phone. Once you do, open the Play Store on your phone. In the Play Store, tap on search, type in FitCloudPro and tap on search, and you should see this application, FitCloudPro. Tap on the install button to download and install it. Let me just skip this and try again. Okay, now it's installing, so let's wait until the application is done installing. And after the application is done installing, you can open it by tapping on open button. Here tap on agree, and now we can register, log in, or use the application without the account. If you want to keep your data about the training or basically about the exercise and stuff like that, you need to make an account. If you don't care, you can simply use the app without account. Use it in guest mode basically. I'm gonna tap on use without account. Then we can set up the profile like that. And once you're done, you can tap on next. Here we can set up some goals like steps, distance and stuff like that. You can tap on them and basically edit them according to your liking, and then you can tap on save. And now we can basically pair the device, as you can see. To do it, tap on the search button, allow the permission, and wait until the app detects your watch, and it's LW11 right here. As you can see, it found it, so let's tap on connect. Here you can tap on two settings if you want to allow this app to run in the background. I'm just gonna tap on cancel for now, like this, and you should see the home page of the app. Now we can tap on device icon to open the device page, and on it you should see your LW11 watch. So basically it means that the watch is connected with our phone. And that's about it. That's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.